Craziness begin.
Yeah, me and
Oh, geez.
we got the
Do you
floor.
want to go first? How much flights have you guys got?
I have like 5 minutes.
I get more, but I'm just going to go. I'm just going to be doing low pass.
What are you gonna be doing?
Somebody's landing. Come on around. Come on. We'll wait. It is very.
This hawk just...
I've seen you fly.
It flies amazing. It flies big. It doesn't fly small. But
This is my first foam jet since like
times have changed big time. That's why everybody doesn't realize how much different
You can't
foams
make fun of
are.
foam anymore. You
No.
used to be able to remove it. I used to rocky foam, and now I only sometimes rocky foam. Yeah. Oh, Max.
Well, especially since my F5 is faster than your Habu.
By 1 mile an hour.
It doesn't matter. It's faster. Faster is faster.
Yes, alright. I bet I could still beat you if I had a fully charged.
That was a 30C pack.
No, you had the new one. Your old friends were like, yeah, like yours are like 100. You're like, oh, I gotta get the new battery.
This is a 35C pack.
What, 24? Yeah, so I'm charging it on battery.
Okay, I got a ton of packs. He's landing. He'll be good. I think it slows way down. Look at the gear. The gear gives on that. Wind is good.
Alright.
Anybody got to come in?
Yeah, it's fine. No. Do you understand what I did this?
Oh, Jesus. Alright. Yeah, let's go. Alright, Max, you go second. Alright, coming out.
Oh, Max, go. My nose is so long. Y'all get on my level with my maximally efficient in max. Oh, max level? I don't know. We don't know.
I'm gonna go, please. I'm gonna wait for everybody to get in line.
I gotta go.
Alright, taking off.
Alright, I'll be last, guys.
What's with that?
Take it out.
Low pass from the right.
So much better than
Cool. Where are you, Keon? I'm coming with you. Where are you, Keon?
I'm not here.
There you are. Here, slow down.
I am. Let's do low pass.
Low pass.
Okay, where are you guys? I don't even know where you are.
I'm in front of you right now.
Ever step with the battery back, so much better.
Hey, Joey, I'm going to do a low pass before you're up.
That battery, what was that, like pulsing?
Keon, join up with me. Is that a flank? Is that 15?
Yeah.
Low pass.
Low pass from the right.
All together now. Let Joey get off the runway, guys.
Alright, there you are, Keon. Keon, let's stick to formation.
Alright, I'm trying to slow down. Come on, dude, hurry up. I'll follow you. Go back.
Time remaining.
Sorry,
2
Keon.
minutes.
Somebody's landing from the right.
Alright, hey, I'm gonna stay out because someone's landing. Then we'll do a little faster. I gotta land. This is the new battery, actually. I gotta land after. Landing!
I have a lot of time.
No, I gotta land because this is the new battery.
You know what? Who's landing? Is it the apprentice?
I'm gonna land. Wait, what? No, I was. No, I told you. Where are you right now?
Over there, Frank.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna intercept you guys.
check.
There's a lot going on right now.
Right. Landing. There you are. I'm gonna stick landing.
I'm with you.
I'm diving down to Frank.
Alright.
He's so slow. What kind of fan is he using? FMS?
It's a free wing, but it's a different motor.
Oh, that looks good, Ray.
Landing.
There you are. I'm on both you guys.
Whoever is that?
I'm right behind him. I think I hit a jet wash.
Nice.
Don't bounce it.
I am landing.
Okay, come on, land.
30 seconds.
Alright, I'm gonna land after whoever is landing right now. That would be Max.
Max is landing.
Alright, I'm landing after Max.
10, 9, 8,
Everybody does. I don't. I'm
5,
good.
4,
I'm landing after Max.
1, 9, 4.
Landing! Oh,
Come out. You're coming in, right?
yeah, I already called it.
You,
Go around. Screw you, Yuri.
Oh, where's me, Yuri?
I'm on a 5,000. I got plenty
you
of
got
time.
plenty of time. Don't come in. You're good.
Landing the Corsair.
Jesus Christ. How long does it take him to come in?
So
I'm landing at far end.
All right. God, this is nuts. Come on in.
God damn it.
It's all right.
He's on his nose.
Who is? Yuri?
Hurry up, please. It's my third time around.
Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me!
Get off quick, please. Alright, he's off. Landing!
Landing right behind me.
1 minute over.
Am I going to be the last man standing?
It says timer says 1 minute.
No, I've got plenty of time.
Yeah, it only took 3 times around.
Landing flaps.
Alright, right, I'm off.
It was real peaceful for you guys now. But it weren't enough jets.
Nice, Frank.
Flaps up.
Somebody was
Who else is coming in?
on the runway!
Pass, low pass from the right. I see him. That wasn't very low. Never mind. I got to do that again. No, not over him. I'm going to go over the runway.
Minutes over.
Whoa!
It's like almost full up elevator, still going down. Oh my god.
You hit some rotor or something. That was weird.
Yeah, it went okay, and then all of a sudden I dropped one blade off the truck. There's a piece that fell off back there. You want to go grab that too? I think this
Yeah. Well, wait for me. I got to come in.
Landing.
I'll pick it up when I come in. Landing from the right. Oh, you're good. I'm not really standing in the right place anyway.
Three minutes over. Flaps up.
All right, taxi back. Clear. Whew, that was crazy.